Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Magicteam Therapy Sun Lamp available right now, the Verilux HappyLight Lucent. This compact, travel-ready device has been creating quite the buzz, and for good reason. Let's take a closer look at why this might just be the light therapy solution you've been waiting for. So, what exactly is the Verilux HappyLight Lucent? In essence, it's a one-touch light therapy lamp designed to simulate natural daylight, delivering a powerful 10,000 lux of UV-free LED light. The goal is to help elevate your mood, increase your energy, and improve your sleep, especially during those darker winter months or for anyone dealing with seasonal affective disorder, commonly known as SAD. The first thing you'll notice is its sleek and slim design. Measuring in at just 8.6 by 0.8 by 6.6 inches and weighing a little over a pound, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to move around. Whether you're working from home, traveling, or just trying to get through a long afternoon slump, this lamp fits seamlessly into just about any environment. The detachable stand gives you some extra flexibility. Set it on your desk, kitchen counter, or bedside table, and you're good to go. Now let's talk about simplicity. This is not one of those overly complicated devices with 30 buttons and a long learning curve. The HappyLight Lucent is true to its name, happy and simple. With one touch, the device powers on and delivers bright, consistent light designed to mimic the midday sun. There's no adjustable brightness or color temperature settings, which might seem like a downside, but in reality, this makes the device extremely easy to use. It's built for people who just want to feel better, without needing a manual. And speaking of effectiveness, 10,000 lux is the sweet spot when it comes to therapeutic light. It's strong enough to trigger a response in your brain, boosting serotonin levels and helping regulate your circadian rhythms. Whether you're feeling jet-lagged, sluggish, or simply need a mental boost, spending 20 to 30 minutes a day with this lamp can help your body reset and recharge. You might be wondering, what's the catch? Well, if you're looking for advanced features like timers, dimmers, or customizable light colors, this might not be the model for you. It's a straightforward light therapy tool, and it does what it's designed to do extremely well. There are no frills here, but that's also why it's so affordable and easy to recommend. In terms of build, it uses an E27 bulb base and runs on 240 volts. The plastic frame is solid and functional, giving it a durable feel without adding weight. It's not cordless, so you'll need to be near a power outlet, but the included power cord gives you enough length for most everyday setups. So who is this really for? The HappyLight Lucent is ideal for students, remote workers, travelers, or really anyone who deals with low energy, poor sleep, or winter blues. It's particularly helpful for early risers or shift workers trying to get their circadian rhythm back in sync. To sum it all up, the Verilux HappyLight Lucent is a no-nonsense, highly effective light therapy lamp that delivers on its promise. It's lightweight, portable, easy to use, and it packs the full therapeutic punch of 10,000 lux. If you want a simple and reliable tool to help boost your mood and energy, this is one of the best options out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the best products you can actually use in your everyday life. See you in the next one.